Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin. Today I would like to show you how to make a cable cast on. This is a moderately stretchy cast on. It's quite sturdy, that's why it keeps form well, and that's why it's good for ribbed edges. Here I have ribbing 1-on-1, but actually this cast on is good for any kind of knitted fabrics. It forms such kind of twill on the edge, but only from the right side. From the wrong side it's just some knots. Another advantage of this cast on that we don't need to measure a very long tail and then guess will we fit on this tail or we will not. We just start with the slip knot. Place this slip knot on one needle, don't make it tight. Pull the second needle through this loop and knit one stitch. And instead of leaving it on the right needle, we place it back on the left needle. Like this. Now we have 2 stitches. All the other cast on stitches will be made between 2 stitches. So we put the right needle between 2 stitches, catch the yarn and pull it through. Make it quite long because we will need to put it back, and pull the right needle between the last 2 stitches to form another stitch. Let's just do it. And that's how it goes. A little like stuff about this cast on. In the beginning it forms such not very pretty edge, yeah, but in all the other parts I like this cast on. That's all for today. Thanks for watching me. I wish you a great day. Goodbye.